Today it's Thursday, November 6, 2025, and I said, you know what in hell? Let's remove the front cover, to clean it up. And I open this cover. And then I see inside this. How in hell it's still working? How it's working, the headlight? I mean, how doesn't have a short circuit there? See the condition of the cables. All right. With one way or the other, we have to open it. We have to fix this mess. We have to change the cables. We cannot keep them like this. It's not safe. Have you seen some cases when the fire starts from the headlights? That's one of the reasons. Because of the heat, it starts burning the insulation, and this is how you have a short circuit, and you can lose everything. And let's deal with that. Yeah. It's not okay. It's not okay by any means. How it's still working? I don't get it. All the cables are burned. I'm happy that I opened it. I'm happy that I said to take it apart. It could end up really wrong. Alright. Some good news. I didn't break anything so far. As soon as I didn't break it, that means I'm not gonna break anything. Alright. Now, some bad news. Bad news. Like I showed you before, the wiring harness, it's gone. Alright. It's peeling away the coating, the insulation of the cable. One is this one. Second thing, we see overheat mark here. Forget about this. This already been burned. What's doing the heater? Why has a scratch here? I had the feeling that somebody opened it before, but I might be wrong. Alright? Why I'm saying that? Because I see these marks and these marks here. And it came easy out. But like I said, I might make mistake. Yeah, the dust goes away. Alright. Taking it all apart. See here that they have repaired only these two cables. Alright, let's take it completely apart to see how it's gonna end up. I mean, what's gonna be the worst case scenario? I'm not doing it both headlights, maybe because I wanna see what it takes, at least one. We get one headlight and we put it on, one used one. Right. I'm gonna check it later when I'm gonna take it out, because this was not in place. This was not secured properly. It was hanging there and they put some tape. Alright, moving on. This no need. These are different bolts for the outer, and it's different for the inner. The inner bolts are all the same like this one, but this has 4 shorter bolts, different screws actually, different type. Alright, let's move on. I know a person who's gonna be very happy when he'll gonna see this wiring harness. He'll gonna say, it's amazing, I didn't have something better to do, let's F myself up with stupid wiring. This will gonna be Mr. Derek. I'm gonna give it to him. To fix it here, he should solder it, because we're not gonna have this kind of pins. No, we don't have this kind of pins, but the rest pins we have it. All right. Yep. Oh boy. Take a look at mess here. Take a look at mess here. If you want to get something out of this video, if you are here in this country, in a very hot country, and your car is more than 10 years old, have a look on the wiring harness of the headlight, and if you see that it comes apart, replace it. Either if you can find the wiring harness, it's gonna be amazing. If you can repair it, same thing. At least it's not gonna come apart like that. This is ticking time bomb. I have here some stories that the fire starts from the headlight. Alright, what I'm going to do, these parts I'm not gonna touch them, alright? This no need to do anything because it's gonna come out the chrome if you put something. Just wipe it with a dry cloth, finish the story. This will gonna stay out, obviously, clearly. Actually, this will gonna go for garbage. Doesn't make any sense to keep it. It's been melted, right? The rest I'm gonna use them. Washing the housing. Now I can wash it, there's nothing inside electronic. The covers. I want to open also the lens here because I clean it from outside. It was dirty, but there is also dirt from inside. And since I have it out, it's a good chance to wash also to clean it from inside, right? There is only 4 screws all in all. Fortunately, I didn't broke any of the clips. That was amazing. If there are, even after all this heat, I didn't broke any clip. This is nice. And when I took out the tube, it separated this piece, and I thought that I broke it, but it's not. It's these are 2 pieces. Let's see. Let's see. And we have also the cover. Yeah. All right. Let's wash a couple of parts, clean also the table, and then Mr. Derek, he will have a surprise today. He will gonna F me up, he'll gonna say to me, Tassos, what the fuck are you giving to me? Let's see if we can find, just in case, you know, you have eBay, you have Google, they might have a replacement wiring harness for the headlight. It's gonna be amazing. Instead of what it takes here, it takes that you need to have the same length and you have to route it from the same position, and you have to place also the cable tie at the same position. That means what I'm gonna ask from Derek will be get a piece of paper or carton, light down the wiring and trace each cable and where is the cable tie. And then at the end, when he's gonna change it, when he's gonna change the wiring, to put again on this carton to see that it's reaching properly. You don't need to be longer, you don't want to be shorter. Definitely not shorter. Alright, because you are routing it from a specific positions on the headlight. It's not like that you're throwing it inside. Alright. Lovely. No, I broke something. Sorry, I broke something. Yeah. I broke this one. This piece here. You see that it closed now? Yeah. This, I cracked this one, but it doesn't have any effect because the plug is locking here, it's not locking back over here. This is when I put the screwdriver to unlock it from there inside. But I didn't broke any tab over there, nothing else. And this, it doesn't make any difference if it's broken or not. Right? It's total fine. Alright, that's it, a small update. We're gonna see if I'm gonna do that on the other headlight. We will gonna see. I'm not promising anything. Alright. It definitely needs need the wiring harness also for the other headlight, because it will gonna be like this one. If one is like that, also the other one is gonna be exactly the same. Right? Now to get a used one, it might end up to be, it might be clean, the cover, the lens, you know, front to be everything nice and clean, but it might have the same thing with the wiring. You see where's the problem? To get a brand new, okay, sell the car and then buy 2 headlights. Because it's expensive from this point of view. This is the middle solution. We have the wiring, and we have even a little bit more thick wiring than this. I don't think so we're gonna hurt something to make a little bit bigger the wire. I'm still running the control module here, but you see clearly that came water inside. I'm gonna clean the seals and all these things. It creates a groove. It's normal from the heat and from the years, and it's not a rubber. Yeah, all right, keep it there. All good. See you on the next video. I don't know when, and maybe I'm gonna show you when it's gonna be everything nice and clean and with a fixed wiring harness. All right, before I close it how it is, and then on the final, maybe we're gonna see. It's not gonna happen today because I'm not giving priority. This is for Mr. Jimmy, and we have only one Jimmy, you know, we don't have 2 or 3. Let's take care. And what about this wiring? We don't know if it's okay until we open it, right? Has insulation outside, but I don't know. It can burn the wiring like this from inside. I might open it. To see, especially here at this corner. See how much it's been squeezed. The rest looks okay, but here at this point looks suspicious to me. Alright, that's it. Thank you. By the way, since I'm here with electronics and this nonsense, let me change also the LED that burned yesterday. Is that amazing? Right where I want it. Thank you.